Hi guys, and welcome back here in my channel. So welcome to another beauty video. So this is going to be a get ready with me video. So I'm going to share to you on how I usually wear makeup whenever I get invites to an event. So ito yung usual na makeup I wear whenever I go out, or not just on an event, or this is just the look, simple makeup look that I wear whenever I go out. So sa video na ito, I'll be sharing to you the products that I usually use whenever I wear simple makeup look or my go-to look. Also, I'll be featuring some of the products that I received from hmmanila.com. So I'll be featuring to you the magnetic eyeliner and eyelashes, as well as the D&M lip gloss. They sent it to me and they want me to try it out, review as well. So ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano gamitin itong dalawang products, or how I'm going to wear these two products in this makeup video. So let's get started. I'm going to start to prep up my face. So I'm going to use this the Face Shop Jeju Aloe Vera. This is a fresh soothing gel. So I usually use this one to moisturize my skin because I really feel fresh. Ito yung ginagamit ko every time I put makeup or before I put makeup, kasi nakaka-fresh siya sa skin. So next is I'm going to use this primer. This is Alice Academy Anti-Wrinkle Serum Base. This is from the Real Wonder Herb. I'm not sure if they are still selling this kind of products, kasi dati dito sa Davao yung office nila is somewhere in Ecoland, but I put on primer because this serves as a barrier sa skin natin whenever we put makeup. So it makes our skin flawless. At the same time, it also covers the pores. So next, we're going to put on the foundation. So I use the Face Shop Ink Lasting Foundation. So this is Slim Fit SPF 30 PA++. So this is also HD coverage. But whenever I wear foundation, ginagamit ko also this Power Perfection BB cream, as well as from the Face Shop. So what I usually do is mix them together. Anyway, there's no rules in makeup naman. So it's up to you on how you're going to apply your makeup. So in my case, minimix ko sila kasi I'm not satisfied with the coverage of this foundation, though it's good, but I also wanted to have a dewy finish. So ito yung minimix ko sila together kasi whenever I mix them together, gusto ko yung dewy finish, just like, you know, Korean dewy look. So next, we're going to put on the concealer. So I'm using Maybelline concealer. I used to use sponge before whenever I am putting on the concealer, but these days I just use my finger to distribute the product. And then after that, I am going to put this Nichido powder. This is in the shade Ivory Glow. This is from Bake. I love using this mermaid brush. It's been a while na hindi ako nakapag-makeup video kasi nga I gave birth just 4 months ago, but then I started video blogging again kasi I have some time. I'm now full-time taking care of my baby, but I sometimes ask my husband kung pwede ba to relax a bit. So making videos is one way for me to relax. So kapag gumagawa ko ng video, siya ang in charge kay baby muna. So, dyan lang muna siya. We'll let it stay there for how many minutes. So, while we are still waiting for it to bake under eyes, so we are going to do the eyebrows. While I am still baking my under eyes with the concealer and the powder, so we're going to do the eyebrows. So, my eyebrows is my favorite part of my face. So, I'm going to use this Style My Eyebrow from the Face Shop. This is in number, I think this is number 2. Di pa rin ako sure. Yes, it's in number 2. I'm going to use the pencil first to shape my eyebrows. So after shaping my eyebrows, I am going to use the eyebrow powder. So itong primer ko as well as this powder is from the same brand. So I'm going to put on the powder. That is how I usually do my eyebrows. So I shape my eyebrows using the pencil first. Yun yung usual na ginagawa ko sa eyebrows ko. So there are 2 shades for the powder. So, the dark one and then the lighter brown. So, yung lighter brown is in the inner corners of your eyebrows. And then the darker brown is in the outer corners of your eyebrows. Brush it off. By the way, in this video, we will not use eyeshadows kasi simple makeup look lang naman. And next, we're going to brush off the powder na. Next is the blush on. I am going to use the Miss O Beauty Lip and Cheek Cream in the shade Delight. I made a review or gumawa ko ng review about this product, and if you haven't watched it, you can click on this side to watch the review. So Miss O Beauty Lip and Cheek Cream is a local brand made from Davao. And you can check their Facebook page. I'm also going to put the link on the description box. Light blush lang. Lagyan natin konti sa may bridge para pinkish-pinkish siya tingnan. So next is for the eyelashes. So I'm going to use this eyelash, magnetic eyelashes, eyeliner and eyelashes. So obviously magnetic, you will not use the glue. So I got this from hmmanila.com. So hmmanila.com is an online shop that sells products which are watches, skincare products, beauty products, bags, and you can visit their website. I'm going to put on the link also on the description box below so you can check them. Kung gusto nyong i-try yung mga products nila, meron silang mga promos, meron silang mga discounted products. And this one, the magnetic eyelashes, is buy one, take one. I'm kind of excited to try this one kasi I always use false eyelashes. Ginagamit ko yung Taiwan eyelash kasi it's very natural and very lightweight. When Miss Sol of HM Manila sent me a message to try this magnetic eyelashes, so I'm kind of curious kasi this is my first time to try it out. I wonder how it works kasi hindi na siya kailangan ng glue, of course. So they have 4 variations of the magnetic eyelashes, but I got the diamond. So yung diamond is like the simplest of the four. So we're going to open. So sa box nila, there are 3 items and it's in rose gold color. So yung tweezers at saka yung eyeliner and naka-compact yung eyelash. It's very elegant. Ay, very elegant. Nahulog na naman. Nahulog na po. Meron siyang mirror and this is the eyelashes. According here, before gamitin yung eyeliner, we have to shake well and seal bottle in time after use. We have to wait for the eyeliner to dry a little before ilagay yung eyelashes. Shake well the eyeliner first and then may maganda na akong mirror. Unlike kanina, mas maliit siya. So, lagay natin yung eyeliner. Gagawa ako ng winged eyeliner. So, it says, magnetic. You will not use the glue anymore. Mabango siya. And then we will wait for a while para mag-dry siya konti. And then we will put on the eyelashes na. I'm going to use this to put on the eyelashes. So, meron siyang parang maliliit na magnets, if you can see. By the way, H&M Manila ships locally and you can pay through cash on deliveries. Yan. Then on the other side. In fairness, yung magnet niya is really working. Kung ilalagay mo yung eyeliner, hindi siya totally dry. So, medyo semi-dry siya. And then, stick nyo yung eyelashes para mag-stick din yung magnet. And, yes, this is how it looks. But for me, this is the kind of eyelashes which I think is not really for everyday use, but this is good for some occasions, for example sa weddings or some pageantry, sa mga ganyang big events. But for everyday use, medyo makapal lang siya at saka medyo heavy looking siya. Next is the lipstick. I also got this from H&M Manila along with the eyelashes is this lip gloss as mentioned in the box. Number 13. So before we put it in our lips, we will swatch it first. Yan ang shade niya. Ganda! Compared sa usual lipstick, mas nahihirapan ako mag-shape sa lips using this one. Like this kind of applicator. Medyo reddish pink siya. So it really fits with the blush on that I use, which is in the shade Delight. Ganito din yung, or it really matches the blush on that I use. So ganito yung final look. Wow. Lakas Macadamiela Mondragon. Pero in pinkish shade lang siya. So, by the way, nakalimutan ko. Lagyan ko lang siya konti ng highlight para I'm using the Inglot. So if you wanted to order this kind of eyelashes, just go to hmmanila.com. You can check there some other beauty products that might fit you or something that you are looking for, that you want to try on. Ano siyang like darker shade dito, so like we will have a little bit of contouring lang. So this is the final look of this Get Ready With Me video. This is the usual makeup that I wear except for the eyelashes and this lipstick or lip gloss. Kasi yung lip gloss na gamit ko is medyo darker from the usual lip shade that I always wear. And this is my first time to try this magnetic eyelashes, eyeliner and eyelashes. And yeah, this is how it looks like. So what do you think? Put your comments in the comment section below. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this beauty makeup review and demo video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and please do like and subscribe. You can also put some comments and suggestion on the comment section below. So thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.